when it comes to doing like your labs and all that, they have like a preset way of getting everybody set up. So you'll create these operating systems within your operating systems. They call them virtual machines. So they have like a Windows machine inside a Windows machine, and you'll set up your networks and your computer and everything, and you'll work inside these virtual labs. Now, what we do is we get everybody set up to that certain standard so that you can start completing your labs. And what you'll do is you'll do things like you'll make these computers talk to each other. You'll share files in between. You'll set up user groups and stuff, something called Active Directory that gets everybody set up on their own personal user accounts and all that. And we follow this Microsoft curriculum. And through that, we learn virtual machines through Hyper-V. We learn messaging servers through Microsoft Exchange. We learn databases through SQL. We do a lot of stuff with like all the Office 365 suite. And through us getting set up in class, it'll allow us to, on our off time, doing homework and assignments and all that, to follow through with these labs.